Why Altop is the world's top cylinder top. Okay, your cylinder is empty and you need to change cylinders so you can get back on the job as quickly as possible. This is the old way of doing it. Firstly, turn off the valve on the empty cylinder. Get a new cylinder. Now you get a shifter and loosen the regulator on the empty cylinder. Now unscrew and remove the regulator and put it on the new cylinder. Tighten by hand before tightening with the shifter. Now, open the cylinder valve and check for leaks. Assuming there aren't any leaks, at last you're ready to get back to work. Phew. Now let's see the Altop way of doing it. Altop's built-in gauge means you always know how much gas is in the cylinder and when the cylinder is empty. So just flick the lever to off, get a new cylinder. It's even easier with the hand pommel top. Now simply disconnect the hose. Break the tamper seal on the new cylinder. Connect the hose to the cylinder using the quick connector. Flick the red lever to on and set the flow by turning the black hand wheel. And you're back to work in no time. Click, click, it's that quick. Altop's not only quicker and easier, it's also safer. Altop is the safest cylinder available. The built-in regulator means the gas pressure is always controlled and you don't have to worry about regulator testing and breakdowns. And the hand pommel makes it safer and easier to move around. With Altop, you only handle low pressures and all connections are gas tight, so no more annoying and costly leaks. And everything is protected by this tough guard. So if your cylinder should accidentally fall over, unlike the old cylinders, Altop is less likely to land with a bang. Because Altop is safer, quicker and easier, it's no wonder that Altop is used by more welders around the world than any other. Another world first from Air Liquide.